Good afternoon, students, and welcome to the next practical
Good
CYBSE based.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everybody. We begin with today's practical. Today we are beginning with practical from paper 3. Practical from paper 3. Before that, I'll just give you the page number for that. Just a minute. Yeah. Today's practical is a study of mitosis by using PDB treated onion root tips. This is practical paper 3. Practical paper 3. Unit is genetics. So paper 3, unit 3. This will come in journal 2 and page number will be 28. Those who want index of 3 and 4, after today's practical is over, explanation, I'll once again display the index if you want for today's practical, or I'll put it in the Google Classroom. So today we're beginning with practical 3, paper 3, unit genetics. There are 3 practicals, out of which this is the first performing practicals, and the other 2 are problems based on mutations and 3-point cross. That is the paperwork practical. This is a performing practical. Uh, Already you have done mitosis in first year BSc and second year BSc. The steps for preparing the slide is exactly similar to what you have performed in first and second year BSc. Only the thing is that the onion root tips which you are going to get are pre-treated with a chemical which is called as PDB. Name of the chemical is PDB. The onion root tips which you're going to use for making the slide for mitosis will be a PDB treated onion root tip. Now, what is PDB? PDB, full form is para dichlorobenzene. If this is not available, there is one more option, one more chemical called as colchicine. You can make either 0.1 to 0.5%. So we begin with the aim. The procedure you are going to follow is exactly the same as you have done for mitosis in first year and second year BSc. Your teacher will be giving you a root tip which is pre-treated with para-dichlorobenzene. So let us move on to step number 1, aim. First of all, the name of today's experiment, the study of effect of PDB on mitosis. Aim to study the effect of PDB on onion root tips or mitosis. So the in the bracket you write pre-treated onion root tips and study arrested metaphase. Requirements, onion root tips. Now these onion root tips are not normal as they're used for FY and SY. These root tips are fixed in the solution of either PDB or colchicine. Comma, you'll require carnoise fluid, which is a fixative. You'll require acetocarmine stain, one normal HCl, slides, cover slips, microscopes, etc. Principle of the reaction, the onion root tips are pre-treated with PDB or colchicine. These chemicals prevent the formation of spindle fibers, resulting into arrested metaphase. Besides inhibiting the formation of spindle fibers, they also bring about contraction of chromosomes. So, the dividing cells, now the dividing cells are arrested in the metaphase stage and they are unable to move to anaphase. As a result, we get a well separated metaphase which is observed in the polar view in the karyotype analysis. Observed in the polar view in the karyotype analysis. So, what is the principle? When you fix the onion root tips in PDB or colchicine, normally, what are the stages of mitosis? You have prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase, followed by cytokinesis. During the metaphase substage of mitosis, we say that the spindle fibers appear and chromosomes are arranged on the spindle fibers. But when we treat the root tips with PDB or colchicine, The metaphase stage spindle fibers are not available, or rather, PDB or colchicine prevent the formation of spindle fibers. As a result, the stage has moved from prophase to metaphase, but the chromosomes are not arranged on the spindle fibers, but they are suspended, and also contracted chromosomes are observed. As a result, when you see the slide, you get a well spread view of the chromosomes, well spread view of the chromosomes in the polar view. I'll just move ahead to show you. This is how the chromosomes will appear under your slide. So you will not get any other stage. In fact, anaphase, telophase, and cytokinesis you will not get. You may get a few prophase stages, and the metaphase will be arrested. It means the cell division will not move ahead to anaphase, telophase, etc. You will get chromosomes in the polar view, which are suspended, contracted, and swollen in the cell like this. Many cells you will get like this. This is called as arrested. What is the meaning of arrested? Metaphase ही थांबवलेली आहे. It is arrested at one place. It will not move ahead to anaphase आणि telophase. मेटाफेज इकडे स्टॅग्नेट झालेली आहे, अरेस्ट झालेली आहे. ही फेज इथेच थांबणार. सेल डिव्हिजन इज स्टॉप्ड हिअर. दिस इज कॉल्ड ॲज अरेस्टेड मेटाफेज. हे कशामुळे होतं? दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ द इफेक्ट ऑफ PDB or Carnoy's fluid. PDB or Carnoy's fluid. Now the procedure. The root tips are fixed in colchicine or PDB for 2 to 3 hours. The root tips are cut at about 8 a.m. in the morning. सकाळी 8 वाजता ते tips cut करायचे, and they are put in the solution of colchicine or PDB for about 3 hours. After 3 hours, in 3 hours, they're kept in the refrigerator. This is called as pre-treatment. After that, they are removed and washed in water. Root tips are removed after 3 hours. They are washed in water and they are fixed in another fluid which is called as Carnoy's fluid. Now, this step can be avoided because already the colchicine or PDB have fixed the onion root tips. You can follow this procedure. Carnoy's fluid is a fluid that fixes the stage as it is for 24 hours. After 24 hours, the root tips are removed and they are preserved in a bottle containing 70% alcohol. This bottle is kept in refrigerator. So this is the treatment which will be already given. All these things will be done by your teacher. That means I'll be doing that and keeping ready. Step number 1 to step number 3, pre-treatment with PDB, fixing in Carnoy's fluid and preserving in 70% alcohol. So you will get a root tip in 70% alcohol. What you are going to do? I beg your pardon, the root tips you get. Take the root tip into a watch glass. You will be taking the root tip into the watch glass containing water. पाण्यामध्ये धुवायचे to remove all the things which you have put. Wash the root tip thoroughly in water with the help of a brush. Then transfer the root tip to another watch glass containing 1 normal HCl and slightly warm the slide on a spirit lamp. This is called as hydrolysis. This process is called as hydrolysis. After warming the slide in 1 normal HCl, cool down the slide. Then on a clean slide, take the root tip out of the HCl, wash it in water, and place the root tip in the center of a clean slide. Please remember, when you are placing the root tip, which is washed in water after hydrolysis, you should put a blotting paper under the slide. So blotting paper on your table, on that a clean slide. Then the root tip, which is washed in water after hydrolysis, is placed in the center of the slide. Then you will add pink color stain. This we already done before. Acetocaramine is the stain. Add 1 or 2 drops of acetocaramine so that the root tip is completely stained. Keep it for 20 to 30 minutes. Now, in between, if the stain dries, again you can put acetocaramine stain. The root tip should be in the stain for 20 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, cut the tip portion and discard the other part of the root tip. The other part of the root should be kept back into water. Now, why to do this? In case you cut wrongly, तुम्ही टिप पोर्शन टाकून दिला आणि उरलेला रूट घेतला. So that don't discard it completely. Only keep the tip portion on the slide. आणि बाकीचं जे उरलेलं रूट असेल, that you keep it back in the watch glass containing normal water. ह्याच्यामुळे काय होतं, जर तुम्ही उलटं कापलं, टिप पोर्शन बाजूला काढली आणि नुसता रूट ठेवला, नंतर तुम्हाला कळतं अरे आपण टिप टाकून दिली. So don't throw away that tip. Whatever part you're discarding, keep it in water till the slide is shown to the examiner. So the tip portion is in the center of the slide. Put excess of acetocaramine. Put excess of acetocaramine as a mounting medium and put a cover slip. Put a cover slip on that root tip. Then when you put the cover slip, already the slide is under the blotting paper. Wrap the slide along with the blotting paper and the cover slip. And then apply slight pressure on the cover slip by your thumb or back side of the pencil. परत सांगते, तुमची जी स्लाइड आहे याच्यावरती रूट टिप आहे, स्टेन केलेली रूट टिप आहे, त्याच्यावर कव्हर स्लिप आहे, त्याच्या खाली ब्लॉटिंग पेपर आहे. ब्लॉटिंग पेपर आणि स्लाइड आणि कव्हर स्लिप पूर्ण गुंडाळून घ्यायचं एकावर एक आणि ब्लॉटिंग पेपरच्या वरून कव्हर स्लिप वरती टॅप करायचं. मग काय त्याच्यामुळे the root tip will become a squash. Tip portion will become a squash. So you will slightly apply pressure with the help of thumb. जोरात करायचं नाही, नाहीतर कव्हर स्लिप सकट सगळा चक्काचूर होईल. Slight pressure or back side of the pencil or back side of your forceps. Tap it so that the cells of the root tip spread properly, making a squash. Then remove the blotting paper, and then clean the slide with the help of the blotting paper. Last step, slightly warm the slide and observe under first low power and then under high power. What you'll observe? You'll observe observations and result. You'll observe chromosomes which are suspended in the polar view, which is so called as arrested metaphase. So this is the experiment. If your college becomes offline, we'll be doing this practical, same as you have done for FY and SY. Ready-made root tips I'll give you. Only prepare the slide for normal mitosis. And what you have to show? You have to show this slide to the examiner, showing arrested metaphase. So this is today's experiment to study the effect of PDB on mitosis, that is pre-treated onion root tips, and study arrested metaphase. I hope you have followed the procedure properly. Yes. Now do one thing. थोडं कट झाले ते. I'll be displaying again. Just a minute, huh? Yeah. Please take a पूर्ण तुम्हाला दिसतंय? Kindly take a screenshot of this. All I request.
Yes, ma'am.
हा, चारी पेजेस सगळ्या. पहिलं हे पेज घ्या स्क्रीनशॉट.
मॅम नाही दिसत आहे.
एक काही दिसत नाहीये, थांबा. दिसायला पाहिजे. बघ आता फर्स्ट स्लाइड दिसत नाहीये, बघा.
दिसतंय मॅम.
दिसतंय रे, स्क्रीन शेअर चालू आहे. कोणाला दिसत नाहीये? बघ आता. ऐश्वर्या घेतला तुम्ही स्क्रीनशॉट घेतला याचा? आशिष तू घेतलाय?
हा मॅम दिसलं.
हा
Yes, ma'am.
हा, सगळ्यांनी सी हे हेडिंग आहे प्रॅक्टिकलचं, पण हे काही करायचं नाहीये. पेपर 3 आहे म्हणजे जर्नल 2, पेज नंबर आहे 28. आत्ताच कंप्लीट करून टाका. हां, आता ह्याचा स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या. एकच पेज आहे आणि एक ड्रॉइंग आहे.
Yes, ma'am.
या सगळ्यांना घेऊ दे. यू विल बी रायटिंग दिस ऑन पेज नंबर 28. हेडिंग लिहायचं आहे स्टडी ऑफ इफेक्ट ऑफ पीडीबी ऑन मायटॉसिस. एम लिहा, रिक्वायरमेंट लिहा, प्रिन्सिपल लिहा. कंटिन्युअसली लिहायचं आहे. ओनली वन पेज इज देअर फॉर दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट. हॅज एव्हरीबडी टेकन? येस ऑर नो?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
येस. आणि देन दिस यू हॅव टू फॉलो प्रोसिजर. एका पेजवर लिहून होणार तुम्हाला आरामात. यू कॅन राईट इट व्हेरी इझिली ऑन वन पेज. The following process, you write aim, requirement, principle, procedure. Okay. This is 28 writing page, journal 2, page number 28. Will once again confirm. I'll show you the index also. Somebody has requested me for index of 3 and 4. I'll be giving index of 3 and 4. Have you done it? Has all procedure?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the last one. This will be on the drawing page of 28. Varti lihaयचं observation result. Drawing page, page number 28.
Done.
Okay. I hope all have taken. We'll be completing it immediately today itself. Have you finished taking the screenshot?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay.